Welcome to 888 Highway 11 in Hazel Green, Wisconsin. I'm Jacob Helmrich with eXp Realty, and I'm pleased to present this ranch-styled home sitting on 1.36 acres. Located just 15 minutes from Dubuque and 20 minutes from Platteville, makes this a prime location waiting for any buyer. This home features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and gorgeous countryside views. Let's go take a look. When you first come in, you're greeted by a nice, great big open living room. One of my favorite parts of this room is the beautiful gas fireplace in the corner. Another great feature, of course, is the great big closet right when you walk in the doors. Another great thing about this home is right off back end of the house is a covered porch for your enjoyment. Thanks for touring this home with me. Contact me or another trusted realtor to schedule your personal showing today.